Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how we can insert shapes inside of our Word document. So shapes are a little bit like pictures, but basically they are used to point at something. Simply add a square, simply add a shape in your document. So we're gonna see what they look like and how we can insert them. So it's pretty simple. First thing that you need to do is simply open up your Word document and then go into the Insert tab. Then here you will see shapes. So as you can see, as I told you, there are different shapes that you can use. So circles, triangles, rectangles, so pretty much any shapes that you want. So let's try out with a rectangle so you can draw it directly right here. So this is one shape that I have inserted inside of my document. So there are many use cases where you can use it. For example, you want to, well, maybe not create a organigram, for example. But for example, you want to write something and be sure that everybody sees it, so it's something important. You can create a shape and then write it inside of it. So here are all the colors that you can use for your shape. Of course, there is more than just one shape. So if we come back in our Insert tab right here, and we go on Shapes, as you can see here, there are many others. So let's say we want this rectangle to point at something else, so we can just take a line, for example, point like this, take this rectangle again, copy and paste it here, and here we go. This can be one really simple use case of shapes inside of Microsoft Word. So you can create rectangles, one points to the other, and be able to explain your text in a more visual way directly on Microsoft Word. So this is pretty much how you add the shapes into your Word document. So if you found value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.